All right, welcome to yet another episode of Cricket Premies. I'm joined with by two luminaries of Sri Lankan cricket who are complaining about how much Sri Lanka has to travel in this World Cup. We have, of course, president of Sri Lanka, Mr. Siddharth Shetty, and a current physiotherapist for Hasaranga, Sridhar Venkatraman. Good evening and good afternoon and good night.
Yeah,
Yeah, Asaranga. Yeah.
good morning, good morning.
Shamira. Shamaka. उन लोग का स्टार्टर्स उनका स्पॉन्सर तो अमूल ही है। मुझे लगता है कि कोई तो हैवेल्स वाले ने भी कोई टीम को स्पॉन्सर किया होगा। क्रिकेट ऐसा इतना ऐसा गेम कब से हुआ, कैसे पूरा कंट्री को स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं हम लोग। लगा ठीक है यार, देखने भी हम लोग देखने भी हम लोग ही जा रहे हैं, स्पॉन्सर भी हम लोग ही है। वर्ल्ड कप को भी आईपीएल में ऐसा ऑफशूट लगा दो बस।
The World Cup has started or what? Sarab?
This is the same thing that we went through when the last World Cup happened, where we like, has it started? And then India Pakistan happened. We're like, okay, I think it's good now.
No,
But
I think this World
yeah,
Cup is probably one of the strangest World Cups that has happened in the recent past because it's I don't know what is wrong with this World Cup, but somehow even though India played its first match today, it still feels like the World Cup hasn't started. Like I don't know, for some reason, every match is feeling like a warm up match. I think even when
yeah.
India Pakistan will play, it'll feel like a warm up match for some later World Cup that's happening. I don't know when.
Unless and until there is an air show. I'm just saying. There is some air show, water show, something is there. Air show.
Yeah, listen, we should talk about having an air show in New York, sponsored by areas of the subcontinent.
Correct.
वो बहुत मस्त सिक्योरिटी रिस्क हो जाएगा but it has been bizarre. Like, okay, let's get into today's match. So today was India versus Ireland, and boss, ये is it okay? Now there's two sides to the coin. कई लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई pitch बहुत घटिया, they shouldn't play cricket on this kind of pitches. Then
Yeah.
there's other people saying, हाँ IPL में you guys are saying अरे pitches are batter friendly. That's totally fine. So where do you both stand on it?
I think we'll get to know when India bats first whether the
Yeah.
pitch is bad or pitch is okay. But I think, I don't know. See, pitch is one thing. We will see how it plays out. Other matches, of course, hasn't been that great. But the second innings in the match was quite okay. I mean, the way Indian batsmen played, it looked like it was not such a bad pitch after all. But I think beyond the pitch, the entire mental disconnect of watching a day match in the night is somehow like it's very weird. Like somehow it's feeling like it's a weird thing that you're watching because I feel like I'm watching a recorded match. Like it doesn't feel like a live match. It's just very strange.
Shetty, what do you think?
मेरे को सौरभ भाई मालूम नहीं, आजकल पब्लिक ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, कैसे ये तो स्लो पिच रहता है बराबर। पब्लिक ऐसा बॉल रुक के आता है, मैं बोला कि स्लो पिच है ना ब्रो, बोलते नहीं नहीं, अरे बॉल ऐसा रुक के आ रहा है। मैं मेरे को जिस हिसाब से भाई आजकल जिस हिसाब से वर्ल्ड कप ऑर्गेनाइज कर, मेरे को लग रहा है कि नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन ठाकुर विलेज टर्फ। टर्फ मध्ये अभी ऐसा ऐसा सब प्लेयर लोग, आयरलैंड का प्लेयर लोग 100 रुपए दे रहे हैं, 100 रुपए कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन करके टर्फ बुक कर रहा है और अपना वर्ल्ड कप हो रहा है। आई मीन वेस्ट इंडीज में जो मैचेस हो रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है ठीक है, बट यूएस वालों तो ऐसा फील ही नहीं हो रहा है। अरे वो पिच बना हुआ है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में। हाँ बस इधर भाई बोलिए, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे।
No, I think this World Cup, the pitches look like they were designed for baseball. If the ball doesn't pitch, then it's a perfect pitch to play the game.
Yeah.
The moment it pitches, they're like, oh shit, it's cricket, not baseball.
I think the next World Cup is going to happen in the Sentinel Islands to promote the game in the restricted zone of Andamans. I think they'll figure out a way कि 9 cricketers killed trying to make contact. I don't understand the purpose of it. Okay, but let's get into some controversies. Okay, so शुरुआत में there was immediately a controversy, which is some Pakistani journalists had said that a match referee looked and said that Ireland has won the toss, and then he changed his mind saying कि India has actually won the toss, and he like already fixed it. And my first thought to this was like, do you genuinely think that we need to like so obviously fix matches against Ireland? With due respect to Ireland, who's beaten Pakistan by the way. Do you think we need to fix matches against Ireland? So what do you think about ये toss wala conspiracy?
I think this is the IPL hangover, which is still going on. The only thing left was for the cameraman to focus on the coin like they did in the IPL after that fiasco.
मेरे को लगता है कि पूरा प्रेशर इंडियन टीम पे है कि कैसा इस वर्ल्ड कप को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाए। कोई पब्लिक
हाँ।
देख नहीं रहा है, तो ऐसा कुछ टॉस के टाइम पे देखना। पक्का बता रहा हूँ, एक दो मैच में ऐसा होने वाला है कि रोहित भाई बुल्ले वाले, हेड्स बोला कि टेल्स, एक दो ही साइड रहता है कॉइन का। फिर भी अरे क्या बोला था मैं, अरे चुत क्या बोला, अरे तो यार ऐसा सामने का प्लेयर को टपली मार रहे, तेरे को अक्कल नहीं है क्या, खेलने को दे रहा है वर्ल्ड कप, बड़ा बात है, याद नहीं है क्या हेड टेल्स क्या बोला मैंने। ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है। मेरे को लग रहा है कि ऐसा इंडियन टीम्स को अभी आप देख रहे हो। पहले बार तो कोई भी रिटायर्ड आउट होता है, आज रोहित शर्मा रिटायर्ड आउट हो गया, तो प्रैक्टिस मैच में ऋषभ पंत रिटायर्ड, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा अपन ऐसा मसाला लेके आ रहे उधर भी।
Yeah, it was a little strange because as soon as Rohit Sharma took that retired hurt, he didn't say mutual fund sahi hai. He
Yeah.
just walked off the pitch without telling you to prepare for retirement.
You know, we have to talk about that ad because that ad is so weird. Okay, first of all, it's if you've not seen the ad and if you're
You know,
living outside India,
just before you continue, that mutual
Yeah.
funds ad feels like the Vimal Pan Masala ad in a cricketing universe.
yeah,
Like they've got
Yeah,
the
yeah.
best of stars.
Yeah.
MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, and Rohit Sharma in the same ad to read 3 lines. Like
Yeah.
they're not doing anything; they're just reading lines on a coffee table.
जितना ये लोग का एक मैच का कमाई रहेगा उतना किसी का पोर्टफोलियो है 2 साल का। और ऐसा, और ये 3 लोग जिन लोग का म्यूचुअल फंड, आपको क्या लगता है कि एम एस धोनी का ऐसा वाइफ बोलता रहेगा उसको 1 लाख रुपए वो जीतने के बाद वो नहीं क्या टॉप 6 अवार्ड बोलते रहे कि 20,000 रुपीज पारंपरिक फ्लेक्सी के आप पे डाले क्या, हाइब्रिड एन्युटी फंड, ये सब चीज उमेश यादव को, वेयर इज उमेश यादव व्हेन यू रिक्वायर हिम, थ्रो हिम इन दिस एड्स। उमेश यादव ही इज इन आरबीआई एड विद केएल राहुल। स्कैम करना तो गलत बात है। अरे जो उमेश यादव नागपुर में 3 मैच के लिए।
I really liked how Sakshi Dhoni became Rajapaksa there. The impression that Shetty has of any lady is so Rajapaksa. But I'll give you context of the ad. Okay, the ad is that Rohit Sharma sits down in front of Dhoni. No, Rohit Sharma is sitting with Dhoni, and then Sachin enters with his phone, and Rohit is like, "अरे किसका phone है?" Sachin is like, "हाय ला, ये तो तेरा phone है, तो टीम बस में छोड़ दिया." And in my head, my first question was, what team bus are Rohit Sharma and Sachin Tendulkar still traveling in? There's no team bus. Sachin and Rohit are traveling. And then they start talking about retirement too. Like Dhoni, like, listen, you must focus on retirement. I'm like, let him play. He's in the
Yeah.
middle of the World Cup. Let him play. So it's a crazy ad. Huh.
No, I think this ad was shot before the Mumbai Indians season started, where Rohit Sharma almost had in his mind to decide he wants to retire, and then shot this ad, got so much money, and he's like, "Oh, I should continue playing to make this
Yeah.
kind of money."
नहीं, और ये एड्स, ये जो वो जो म्यूचुअल फंड सही है कार्ड, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि 5 मिनट पहले लिखा है इसके सेट पे स्पॉट पॉइंट। और आजकल इतना खराब खराब ऐड आ रहे, वो टोटली डिफरेंट टॉपिक। एक पार्ले का ऐड आता है, ये देखता हूँ तो एकदम ऐसे मन बैठ जाता है मेरा। ऐसा क्या ऐड है मालूम है गाइस? दो ऐसा 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 स्पाई को भेजना है, ठीक है? तो एक बंदा बोलता है सबसे भरोसेमंद स्पाई को हमें इस कंट्री में भेजना है। देन दे लाइक, अरे सबसे भरोसेमंद 3 बिस्किट दिखाता है मैंने को। मैंने बोला क्या मतलब कौन अप्रूव कर रहा है? देखो एक
No,
तो
I think
खराब ऐड रहता है,
Shetty,
इनकोहेरेंट है।
everybody who's watched IPL has seen that ad, has seen all the ads of Parle. Parle नाम तो सुना होगा.
हाँ, और
हाँ.
श्रीधर भाई इतना इनकोहेरेंट है वो, मतलब ऐसा कुछ तो ऐसा, मतलब पता नहीं क्या।
I mean,
यार अभी तो
it looked like the ad was made by people who were paid in Parle G.
20 रुपीज पार्ले जी पॉकेट।
कि एक ad लिखेगा तुझे 2 पैकेट मिलेगा.
And this is right after they had donated blood. So the levels of
So we are doing this fun activity where हम लोग आपके बॉडी से 3 बाटला और खून निकाल रहे। If you want to stop it, आपको ऐड लिखना पड़ेगा। बोला गांडू क्या कर रहे थे, पेपर से लिखता हूँ।
Man, the other one that I can't get over is MRF Zapper C1. If you see one, then you must be riding on it. You haven't seen this ad?
See this
That's
ad.
literally the entire copy of the ad. It's the letter C with the number one. It says, if you see one, you must be riding on it.
Nice.
And the ad ends. And the other ad of their car tires is
ऋषभ
Virat
पंत वाला
Kohli.
Yeah.
Virat, can you suggest me a good car tire brand? You mean long life and comfortable जो भी है? And he says MRF ZLX. You can bet on it, my friend.
Yeah, my friend. The my friend delivery is very off. Yeah. Where it takes a pause. Yeah, like you can depend on it.
Yeah, so the bottom line,
My
Saurabh, is if
friend.
you stop doing these
Yeah.
podcasts and focus on ad writing, I think
Yeah.
you'll make some money by
Yeah.
being very low skilled ad copywriter as well.
बट
Listen, I'm go-
दिस इज
I,
भाई
I,
इन एवरी एड. भाई का कोई भी एड आता है ना, नाम नहीं ले सकते बट भाई. एक बार उनका सलमान सॉरी पैरागॉन का एड था, उसको बोलता है हाँ पैरागॉन चप्पल अच्छा है ले लो. क्या 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 इट्स जस्ट लाइक उन लोगों को बोला देगा ये आदमी तो 2 मिनट के लिए आने वाले हो, जो भी बोलेगा रिकॉर्ड करके डाल दो तुम लोग. हाँ ले लो, हाँ बहुत मस्त है, रिलैक्स तो चप्पल काफी रिलैक्स फीलिंग है, ले लो हाँ डालो. हमने करे
no,
भाई
it'll be great with alternative copy for that bhai ad. Where it's like just bhai's like पहलो नहीं तो फेंकूंगा मुंह पे. Like it's just like alternate options for that. But I just want to tell all the people of all these ads, Parle-G, Dream 11, mutual funds sahi hai. We are still open to
Yeah,
sponsorship.
we love you.
We will do all of them.
It's all
will-
constructive criticism.
20% discount on brand collabs. Yes.
Because we will try to get this podcast going and none of us are making money on it. Like people think I'm making money. I'm like, no, the amount I spend on thumbnail and editing goes. There is no money. This is the type of, okay, so let's come to the match itself. Let's come to a couple of things. Ek to, what do you both think of the team choices? No Kuldeep, no Yashasvi, no Samson. And Virat opening with Rohit. A lot of people are saying, Arey, Virat should have opened. But I'm like, but where do you play him otherwise? So what do you think of team selection? Let's start with the opening pair.
I think it's a little difficult, right? The choice. I mean, if you have Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma in your 15, it's very difficult not to have them in the playing 11. And I mean, you can argue that their form and strike rate, you can have 100 points of analysis. But I think if you have Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma in your 15, they have to be in the team, and the best spot for them is the opening sort of position. So I think it's quite straightforward, unless Rohit Sharma decides to take early retirement in the tournament to focus on his mutual fund investments.
Yeah.
I don't think there's need to change that.
शेट्टी क्या लगा तेरे को?
इतना देखो, पहली बात तो एकदम अग्रीमेंट है श्रीधर भाई जब बोले, उसमें मेरा अलग टेक है थोड़ा कि तो ये लोग बहुत कितने बार यूएस जाएंगे आप, तो बहुत टाइम के बाद यशस्वी जायसवाल गया रहेगा, उनके मामा का लड़का यूएस में, वो बोला रहेगा अरे क्या आयरलैंड का मैच सब खेल रहे हो, आ जाओ ना, चिकन उकन बना है, हमारे साइड ही हो तो आ जाओ, कब आओगे पता नहीं, मिलेंगे इतने साल के बाद, एक मैच जाने दो ना. तो इतना 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 कॉम्पिटिटिव टीम्स है ना अपने ग्रुप में, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आज आ जाओ, आप थोड़ा घर पे आ जाओ, लंच वंच बनाया अच्छा, तो यशस्वी जायसवाल बोला रहेगा कि विराट भाई आप कर लो.
Totally agree with what Shetty is saying, because I think these other young folks in the team now, they all look like they're so happy to be in the US, like Rinku, Yashasvi, like they're all just chilling, taking pictures, going around doing tourist stuff. And the best part about the schedule is the match gets over by 12 noon.
Yeah.
The entire day is left for them to just like chill and just explore and have fun in the US, and I think they're pretty happy. I don't think they care about the opening position. At this moment, HSV's mind is not focused on the length of the ball. It's about the length of his journey to the next destination. Where do I go? How do I plan? He's making itinerary and not planning the games.
सब रिलेटिव लोग बोले कि आप उस टाइम पे वो मैच खेल रहे हो, एक काम करो, आप जल्दी आउट होके आ जाओ ना, क्या वन डाउन विराट कोहली, आप क्या आप चिल करो, पता नहीं कब यूएस आने को मिलेगा आपको अगले बार.
यार and honestly it seems like इस pitch पे अगर हम लोग पाकिस्तान के साथ खेल रहे हैं, I can guarantee that at least two players are going to get injured. Like होने ही वाला है. Like you're getting injured with like Josh Little who's a good bowler, but like Shaheen Shah Afridi, Mohammad Amir, Naseem Shah trying to bowl on this pitch, boss गया. कोई ना कोई तो injure होने वाला
Yeah,
है.
I mean
100%.
it's scary that a match with Pakistan looks like the pitch has landmines.
Sorry.
Totally expected, but unexpected also.
What do you think of playing Kuldeep, Aksar over Kuldeep though? ये तो मतलब against Pakistan specifically, I'd be like, boss, I think we should definitely play Kuldeep versus Pakistan.
No, I think the only reason probably India is refraining from using Kuldeep in USA is not too uh, kind to China, man. So I think that's probably the only reason. They're like, let's not keep it hostile.
हाँ नहीं, अरे वो देखा क्या, वो आपने क्लिप देखा क्या? अरे बरोबर है, हॉस्टिलिटी से याद आया अपने इधर भाई, वो प्लेयर लोग भाग के फैन अंदर चले जाता है, वो प्लेयर को हक भी करता है, प्लेयर उसको उससे नंबर लेता है, बोलता है आपके घर में मम्मी कैसे, पापा कैसे, यार माँ की आंख को देखा, वो पुलिस वाले ने अपने आके, बेचारा रोहित शर्मा डर के बोलता अरे भाई इतना नहीं करने का रहता है, क्या हो गया भाई, उसने स्टाफ को बोला येड़ा बड़ा हो गया ये लोग, एकदम ही क्रेजी है ये अमेरिकन, मतलब एकदम वही
So I'll give context of the clip. Rohit Sharma was basically अपना practice या warm up game में कुछ था. One guy jumped over the thing and went. And I think Indians don't realize कि it's US. ठीक है? They take any security risk very seriously. So 4 cops came running in trying to stop this. And Rohit Sharma is trying to tell the cops कि भाई ऐसा नहीं करने का. And I'm like, भाई Rohit तुझे भी arrest कर लेंगे. I was genuinely getting worried for Rohit as well. So it was literally one of the like वो एक धोनी का जो fan था ना जो बोला कि धोनी is decided to pay for my surgery.
Correct.
I'm like, that's not. I don't think that's
Yeah, I
something that
think
you can
maybe
expect in
Rohit
US.
Sharma will pay for the return ticket of this fan to India who will be deported very soon.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about another thing which happened. India bowled very well. Bumrah was man of the match, which is a little bizarre. I thought
Yeah.
Arshdeep bowled damn well up top. Hardik bowled quite well until he got tonked a little bit. But what do you think of at least seam bowling? एक तो conditions must थी, but India didn't get too carried away. So what did you think? कभी Pandya has been in good bowling form over the last latter half of IPL. तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. और फिर everybody's focusing on that one. उसने एक हाई फाइव दी रोहित शर्मा को, and people are like, देखो ये होती है देश प्रेमी.
टीम स्पिरिट्स है बट एक फैन का मेरे को बहुत मस्त लगा था, बोलता है मैं गया था ट्रेनिंग सेशन देखने के लिए, ये सब लोग 20-20 मिनट किए वजह से वॉच, बट हार्दिक पांड्या 1 घंटा बैटिंग किया, हार्दिक पांड्या 1 घंटा बॉलिंग किया, और एकदम ऐसे
I don't want to be mean, Shetty, but I don't think Hardik Pandya has anybody to speak to if he goes back home early. So he's still practicing on the pitch
बरोबर है.
out of loneliness.
हाँ श्रीधर, वो 12 बजे के बाद वो घूमने के लिए भी मतलब
मन नहीं करता उसका भी.
बोली ही कर, बट
70% of his time is dedicated to cricket.
Yeah.
नहीं, बट वो मैच भी अच्छा खेला उसने, ही प्लेड वेरी वेल ना बांग्लादेश, इसके साथ भी जो मैच था अपना बांग्लादेश के साथ भी, ही प्लेड रियली वेल, उसने भी बैटिंग वगैरह अच्छा किया.
See, it's that heartbroken energy that's being put into, like अभी he's very focused. मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना है, बैटिंग करना है, बॉलिंग करना है, to prove a point to, you know, the selectors.
नहीं तो खुश रहेगा तो पोलार्ड के साथ पार्टी करने को जाएगा वेस्ट इंडीज में, नहीं तो आया टाइम वो पोलार्ड के साथ ही पार्टी करता रहता है वो.
Yeah. By the way, we have to also talk about Rishabh Pant coming number 3, and I like Surya Kumar Yadav coming out to practice 4 balls, getting out, and then throwing chewing gum on the floor. Or I want to ask you a question, okay? As a fielder, imagine you are diving and the chewing gum of Surya Kumar gets stuck on your arm. You'd be like, what the fuck, dude? Just dustbin में डालना. क्या तेरे क्या problem है? इतना दूर कहीं क्यों नहीं जा सकता? Like people complain about people spitting tobacco in India. I'm like, dude, Surya Kumar just spitting chewing gum in the middle of the bloody
No,
pitch.
I was worried that as soon as they spit that chewing gum, the same police guys will come running into the field, tackle him on the ground. कि ऐसे
Littering.
कैसे किया तूने?
मार रहा है.
And then Rohit Sharma will come back from his retired hurt, and then like, नहीं उसको मारो मत. We need this guy in the next match.
But मैंने
Rishabh
एक
Pant was, I think, good fun to watch.
yeah.
The way
Yeah.
he batted, the shots he played, especially that last shot was mental. I think the winning shot was quite crazy. The guy is, well and truly, I think, back in form. So it looks good, at least as far as that wicket-keeper batsman in the team is concerned. I don't think Sanju has like a place now, unless, of course, if some other player gets injured or has to be replaced. But Rishabh, I think, is pretty much solid. His
Sanju is
wicket-keeping
left.
also is quite insane, by the way. I mean, he's been good for the team.
Sanju is left to meet every relative. उसके घर से लिस्ट मिला है. Please meet every relative. He's carried coconut घर से काढ़ा for everyone. सबके घर में बोला उसको बोले कि तुम घूम के आओ भाई, तुम घूम के आओ, ये डेट है रिटर्न फ्लाइट का, तुम एयरपोर्ट पे मिलो हम लोग को डायरेक्ट, चिल करो तुम संजू. बट अरे कल का मैच देखा आप लोगों ने स्कॉटलैंड और इंग्लैंड का? बाप रे क्या खेला वो लोग. उसमें एक बैट्समैन है फुल मेंटल खेला ऐसे. आबाद उन्हें क्या, मैं सच्ची बता रहा ना, मेरे को पूरा टर्फ का याद आता है. टर्फ में ऐसा लोग रहता है, आबाद उबी सुपला शॉट उल्टा गिर के टाप टूप. कल कोई तो पता नहीं, कोई तो बैट्समैन था वो लिटरली ऐसा इंटिमिडेटिंग ऐसा था, जबरदस्त था कल तो.
स्कॉटलैंड तो पहले भी हराया ना, तो अभी आई थिंक द स्टैट्स केम आउट दैट इंग्लैंड हैज नॉट वन अ मैच और समथिंग अगेंस्ट अ टीम फ्रॉम यूरोप इन अ वर्ल्ड कप इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ऐसा कुछ स्टैट आया बिकॉज दे लॉस्ट टू आयरलैंड, दे लॉस्ट टू स्कॉटलैंड, दे लॉस्ट टू लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस. तो आई थिंक इट्स आल्सो बिकॉज ये सारे लोग दे प्ले अ लॉट ऑफ द इंग्लिश काउंटीज. तो एक तो दे फेमिलियर विद द इंग्लैंड बॉलिंग एंड आल्सो दे कुछ इंटिमिडेशन नहीं है. दे मेन वीकनेस अगेंस्ट स्पिन, तो उनका बस एक आदिल रशीद है, दे नो हाउ टू प्ले पेस एंड ऑल. तो एंड में जैसे कई लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई द ग्रुप दैट इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान आर इन इज द इजीएस्ट ग्रुप. आई एम लाइक डूड, डोंट अंडरएस्टिमेट आयरलैंड आल्सो, डोंट अंडरएस्टिमेट यूएस आल्सो, कनाडा मे बी लिटिल बिट, बट कोई कुछ डिफीट होने वाला है अभी. आई थिंक आई कैन सेंस दे आर ऑलरेडी गोइंग टू बी 3 अपसेट्स लोडिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड कप
No,
ऑलरेडी.
I think US and Canada, a lot of these players aspire to play for their respective countries in the past, right? Like whether India, Pakistan,
Yeah.
Bangladesh, जो भी है. Now they all come to this, a foreign country, playing for that country. I think there's that bit of.
Sorry, give me 1 second. My son is just woken up. Sorry, 1 second.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, buddy,
अरे
what's up? Are you feeling cold? 1 second. I'll switch off the AC. Quick come. I'm here only, okay? Sorry. He just woke up very suddenly. Huh. But sorry, what were you talking about? Wait, I'll just give you
No, but now
a,
US and Canada is mostly like a lot of Asian players they have.
yeah.
Like it's really strange to see a US player named, let's say, Nitin Patel. Like he'll be there
Yeah.
randomly. Bujju guy who went to work in a software company, played cricket on the weekends. Abhi like मैं दिखाता हूँ India को what they missed.
बट सबसे बेस्ट मेरे को नेदरलैंड्स का टीम लगता है. ऐसा लगता है कि एकदम ऐसा ऐसा एक बंदा तो ऐसा 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 उनका कोई बॉलर है, चश्मा उस्मा पहना है मस्त पैके, एकदम बाल वाल एकदम ऐसे वैसे है उसका. ऐसा लगता है ये पक्का मतलब कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर है. उसको ऐसे 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 वीकेंड को खेलता रहेगा टर्फ में और एकदम एकदम ही पहुंच गया. नेदरलैंड टीम का मेरे को तो 2-3 बॉलर लोग को देख के लगता है ये लोग का मस्त साइड हसल है. मतलब तो छुट्टी उट्टी दे के आया है. तो मैनेजर ने बोला है भाई तुम लोग क्वालिफाई होगा तो तेरा नौकरी जाएगा. हाँ भाई, मतलब मेरे को नहीं मालूम तू क्वालिफाई आएगा तो तू चूज करना पड़ेगा. क्रिकेट और जॉब, मतलब टेस्टर डेवलपर है कुछ तो. बट आई वांट यूएस की टीम में लाइक श्रीधर भाई वाज टेलिंग, कोरी एंडरसन कितना बड़ा अच्छा प्लेयर है, मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए खेला है. वो खेल रहे हैं वो लोग के लिए.
RCB, don't forget his legendary contribution to RCB.
Yeah. By the way, did you both see Bangladesh versus US का matches?
No.
यार किसी ने नहीं देखा. It is, you got to watch it, okay? Because एक तो I've tried to ask many people. I think I'm the only one who saw it.
No, but was there a Bangladesh USA match?
Yeah. Bangladesh
Practice,
beat
practice.
Bangladesh lost. No, proper T20 series it was. There was a 3-match series
Yeah,
where
no.
Bangladesh was warming up
I
with
didn't
US और
see
पहले
it.
2 matches में they
Correct.
lost.
Yeah,
And so the ground is so if you think this ये जो अपना न्यूयॉर्क वाला turf is bad, that ground is literally like Azad Maidan post the rains. Like there is just divots everywhere and there is no crowd. There is no place for the crowd. तो लोग बस ऐसे wait just standing on the side and watching. And next to the match there is a highway. So if you hit a really long six, it can hit a car which is driving on the highway. And so that's the match that Bangladesh
Wow.
lost. And I'm like, hey, congrats to the US team. But yeah, and then you could see usi match where you could see that boss is team में potential hai. They were quite brutal in the way they played against.
Yeah, I don't think Bangladesh played to their potential that match, because imagine if they hit a six and it hits a Bangladeshi driver driving Uber on the highway. It's not nice for their country.
और जिस हिसाब से बांग्लादेश खेल रहा है तो वो लोग को डर है कि फैंस लोग उनको वहीं पे चमाट बजाने वाला है. तो बोलो अभी से दे होस्टेड अ डिनर. पहली बार मैंने देखा कोई टीम अपने फैंस के लिए डिनर होस्ट कर रहा है. उसमें उनका प्लेयर लोग बोलते हैं हाँ तंदूरी चिकन
पाकिस्तान
है.
ना और बांग्लादेश.
नहीं बांग्लादेश बारबेक्यू वो लोग पहले से फैंस को अपील कर रहे हैं कि खाना खा लो, खाना प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं हम लोग जीतने. बट आई एम वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड फॉर श्रीलंका वर्सेस बांग्लादेश. The only match I'm interested for this World Cup is because वो लोग का मेरे को यार एकदम देखो वो लोग का पेटी वाला लगता है झगड़ा. ऐसा डांस करेगा कुछ करेगा. वो लोग ना ऐसा प्रॉपर बोलते हैं ना वो बिच्छू गैंग ईगल गैंग वाला वो लोग का लड़ाई है. मेरे को बहुत मस्त लगता है वो राइवलरी देखने के लिए बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट पेटी राइवलरी. वो देखने के
It's the best rivalry in cricket. There is no better rivalry.
Yeah.
It is the best. But what are we talking about? Yeah. So okay, India is. There's a couple of other things that we are talking about. Sri Lanka has been complaining about how much they have to travel. So I went through this cricket.com and Wisden. They came out with the list of कि team सबसे ज़्यादा कितना travel कर रही है. And the team traveling the furthest in T20 World Cup group stage is Bangladesh, who's traveling 9,920 kilometers. Sri Lanka 8,000, Netherlands, Nepal, Canada, USA, Pakistan, and then Ireland, which is lowest is Ireland, which is 3,400. Or for of course India, which is playing two venues itself. Now another stat that I found is that during the World Cup, the last ODI World Cup, India played in all different cities, right? So we traveled a lot also during that World Cup.
Yeah.
So I'm just curious whether that was also raised as a thing that hey, is this disadvantage to India? And yeah. What do you think
No,
about all
I
this?
think the difficulty probably for Bangladesh is they have to travel in buses from one venue to the other.
वो श्रीलंका और बांग्लादेश एक साथ एक ही स्लीपर बस में ट्रैवल किया वो लोग
Double
टर्की वर्की से ट्रैवल किया. इसलिए श्रीलंका 2 महीने पहले निकला है. 2 महीने पहले निकला. कौन सा टीम 2 महीने पहले मस्त पे कि वो लोग एकदम ऐसा 17 रन पूजा करके निकल गया. वो लोग ऐसा दिखा है कि वो लोग एकदम पूजा करके निकल गए. फिर उनको बोला कि देखो इधर से फ्लाइट इधर दुबई तक फ्लाइट है, दुबई से बस है तुम लोग के लिए, एसी बस है, पानी वगैरह प्रोवाइड किया गया. तो मतलब वो लोग जस्ट टूर्नामेंट के एक दिन पहले पहुंचा है बट पहुंचा नहीं वो लोग उधर.
No, I think honestly, I don't think even Indian team is happy not traveling. I'm sure Yashasvi, Rinku must be really disappointed that they're not seeing the length and breadth of USA. Trip एक अच्छा हो जाता if they were going to different places. Abhi there's very few tourist attractions they're getting to see.
Yeah, but also my other thing is like on a serious note, I'm like, dude, this schedule came way back. The schedule was released months and months back. Like, did you not realize at that point of time, ki boss, there might be an issue with the schedule? Like, you could have like raised the schedule way back. And now I understand Sri Lanka cricket has been in a lot of issues over the last couple of years. But I'm like, boss, ye pehle bhi discuss. And again, the thing is that at the end of the day, money is going to drive the force in any sport, let alone cricket. So I think India ka thoda bahut advantage hai. But like as you said, will Rinku Singh perform if he's not got a chance to be on a Greyhound bus? अगर उसने naked cowboy को छुआ नहीं है, is it going to affect his performance? These are all important questions.
Yeah, yes.
His bucket list, I think,
अगर Hooters
is more important.
ने किया तो देख रिंकू सिंह उधर लॉग बना रहा है वो रूटर्स में आके. बट अभी श्रीलंका
रिंकू सिंह ब्लॉग शेट्टी, आज हम फिर से न्यूयॉर्क में है क्योंकि हमें कहीं लेके नहीं जा रहे टीम वाले.
हाँ सॉरी बोलो. ये
एक कोई रील कंपैरिजन था, बोलता है कि वेलकम और पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम आया. तो अभी क्या कोई वेलकम करने के लिए ऐसे जा नहीं रहा, कोई इतना खाली नहीं है उधर यूएस में. ठीक है, तो कोई 2-3 फैन लोग गए, उन्होंने बेचारे लोग ने ऐसा फोटो खींचा. फिर बोलता है फिर से होता है वेलकम ऑफ द किंग कोहली. तो पुलिस फोर्स ये वो. मैंने बोला भाई कोहली लेजिट सेलेब है, क्या बोलेगा, अभी है तो है कोहली. और वही कंपैरिजन बता रहे वो लोग. और कोहली के टाइम पे तो ऐसा म्यूजिक डाल रहे वो लोग, पंजाबी रैप डाल रहा है. मैंने बोला कि यार अजीब था मेरे को.
By the way, Shetty, your head has become a little too. हाँ, there is perfect. जहाँ पर तू है, हाँ. But also, what do you think of this whole Pakistan thing? Because Pakistan ka abhi big controversy came that they charged $25 for a dinner and the money just went to the cricketers. And I was like, one part of me is like, who cares? Let them make some money, yaar. What is this rubbish?
हाँ
Ki,
वही ना
like if you're a traveling comedian, like even whether you're India's because even if Veer Das does ki bhai, I'm doing a meet and greet and charging people $50. Let them enjoy. What is your problem? I don't understand.
हाँ
Rashid Latif and all, I'm going like, it should have been for charity. Hamare time we only went during honorary. Dude, let them make money. What is your problem? Do you see anything wrong with this? I never understood why they've created such a furor about it.
वो बेचारे का 2 किलो वेट लॉस हो गया उनके विकेट कीपर का उसको गेंडा बुलाया मालूम है क्या बाबर आजम ने और वो
कहाँ?
उन्हें उन लोग का प्रैक्टिस चला बोलते हैं, ये देखो गेंडा अरे बोला ऐसा थोड़ी कितना उसको मनोबल को लगा रहेगा उसको बुरा लगा रहेगा पूरा दुनिया उसका मजाक उड़ा रही है टीममेट भी उसको गेंडा बोल रहा है उसको बोल रहा है कि हाँ तो चिकन तंदूरी का पीस हमको दे दे लेग पीस खाता है हमेशा अरे क्या उसका लाइफ बहुत डिफिकल्ट है यार बेचारा का कितना मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं लोग
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Pakistan getting aid from the US is something that happens very often. This is nothing different.
बट मेरे को पाकिस्तानी टीम का मजा बहुत आता है वो लोग लास्ट टाइम इंडिया भी आया था तो मस्त पैकी उन्होंने जोमेटो से मंगाया था बिरयानी वगैरह मंगाया था तो काफी ऐसे फन करने के लिए आए वो लोग कि चलो डिनर ऑर्गेनाइज करते तो काम करते केटरर के साथ झोल करके कम में बोले कि चिकन की जगह पे कबाब बिरयानी दे दे $25 ले लिया थोड़ा मैच फीस कम मिल रहा है तो ऐसे सब झोल पट्टी हर जगह पे जा रहे तो लोगों से $25 लिया और खाने में क्या है आधा कबाब मिल रहा है थोड़ा राइस मिल रहा है पब्लिक
I honestly think nothing wrong. I was surprised by the amount they charge. Like $25. I thought like at least $50 to charge karo yaar. That's like at least some amount.
No, I think they would have converted US dollars to Pakistani rupees and their minds would have been blown.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है लोगों को दया आया रहेगा लोगों ने ऐसा बख्शीश दिया रहेगा $50 रखो 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 आप जरूरत है लग रहा है मेरे को लोग लिफाफा दे के जा रहे हैं $100 का
So
रखो
I just googled, Saurabh,
Yeah.
one USD is 278 Pakistani rupees.
अरे
Oh my God.
So $25 is almost 7,000 Pakistani rupees.
that's very
Oh my
less
God.
If we- अरे श्रीधर पे $7,000
Huh? That's like 5-star ka dinner.
नेशनल
I mean, for all you know, the dinner probably was that bundi and one son papadi in a packet, given like this to give to us during the Independence Day celebrations.
वन तंगड़ी हाफ कबाब थोड़ा बिरयानी एंड रायता नहीं बट अच्छा है मतलब इवन मेरे को इंडियन टीम ने नहीं किया इंडियन टीम का गलत इंडियन टीम को रखना चाहिए ऐसे ऐसे $1,000 मिट एंड ग्रेट
Yeah.
I think Rinku and Yashasvi will come to eat the food for free. Free mein khana
No,
mil raha hai.
I see. By the way, I have a lot of a few people from Pakistan who followed this podcast. They get very angry every time we make Pakistan jokes. Just relax. This is silly. I think it's perfectly fine. Let them make whatever money. Let any cricketers make whatever money. It's the same as being paid appearance fees for coming and cutting a ribbon somewhere or doing a talk. I don't understand why Pakistani ex-cricketers get worked up about any rubbish. मतलब हर दिन इनको टीम से किसी चीज के ऊपर उनको गुस्सा चाहिए. Like this is perfectly fine. I did some calculation. Now I did calculations for Indian
No.
rupees. And it was about 6 lakh rupees total. If there were like about 300 people there. With Pakistan rupees is 18 lakhs. So I was like, boss, अच्छा है, बहुत पैसा
हाँ.
कमाया, मस्त है.
Yeah.
Good है. Enjoy
No,
yourself.
I think
पांच
the
alto
good,
आएगा.
the good thing about this entire exercise is here is a situation where Pakistani fans paid money to see the Pakistani players not disappoint them for once, which I think was the only purpose of this entire exercise.
सौरभ भाई trying to cover up अपन ना और ऐसे गड्ढे में लेके जा रहे हो उनको बोलते हैं कि बैठो ना चुप बैठो तुम लोग बस करो ना यार कितना
See, we love Pakistani fans.
नहीं, अच्छा है I'm very much my first stand up video was India versus Pakistan my next stand up video also I'm putting I'm full support नहीं
ये पूरा bit they're going to use when if India loses to Pakistan all over Pakistani Twitter they're like look at this
नहीं मेरे को नहीं, इस बार वो लोग तैयारी करके गए.
It's
Yeah.
okay. You just title the video as exit poll of T20 World Cup. Chalega. You can get it wrong.
Okay, let's talk about some other topic related to money. So, we Cricinfo page in the middle of the commentary, one guy called Saurabh, Saurabh, not my Saurabh, the cool one. He said the ticket price for tickets is too high. The stands that are empty tickets are going for around $800 to $1,000. So not affordable at all. Dude, it's crazy money. 800 से लेकर $1,000 is insane money. So
iPhone आता
ICC
है.
is like on one end they're saying हम लोग game को promote करेंगे, but they're also like दे पैसा, and I'm like, dude, you can't have both. Like it's crazy amounts, and everywhere they're coming. Like
No, but I think the
West
amount of
Indies.
money they got for the media rights in the cycle
Yeah.
of ICC, I don't think they need to charge any stadium tickets. Like,
Yeah.
I don't think they need any gate revenue to sustain. They have made insane money from the cycle. And especially in a country like USA, if you want to promote cricket, you should give tickets free. हर एक ग्रीन कार्ड के साथ एक टिकट फ्री.
हाँ, अच्छा ऑफर है. नहीं, ये बरोबर है.
And if you're an illegal immigrant, then दो टिकट free.
So it spreads to other nations. Yeah.
Absolutely.
One ticket free, one Pakistani meet and greet event entry free.
Included.
I was waiting for which one of you is going to say that. Okay, let's talk about one other thing where I don't talk.
I honestly don't think people in USA know that there's a cricket World Cup happening in the country. Like, knowing how knowledgeable the US crowd is, I don't think they know that there's a game called cricket. I don't think they know that there's an organization called ICC. I don't think they know that there's something called a World Cup that's happening inside the US. So, yeah.
Dude, all the interviews, Yuvraj Singh the interview kiya tha, and in the interview, all the questions is just like, so what does this mean in baseball? Everything. It's like, a six, what does it mean in baseball? Dude, no point.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be shocked कि कुछ लोग ऐसा के बोलेंगे कि इमिग्रेंट लोग का ज्यादा हो गया इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच में. इमिग्रेंट लोग का ज्यादा हो गया. इतना बड़ा टूर्नामेंट कैसा ऑर्गेनाइज किया लोकल लोगों ने. बोले कह रहे लोकल लोग नहीं है, दो कंट्री खेल रहा है. वो लोग फैदम ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. अरे बाप रे, इतना लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. Locals are too much.
This is true. During the commentary also, there's a lot of references to baseball that are being made. But the problem is, people who are watching the Cricket World Cup is not US population.
Yeah.
It's the Indians, it's the Pakistanis, it's the people who actually watch cricket typically, right? And I think, sorry again, Saurabh, to disappoint your fan base, but I think in baseball terms, the first base is the starters that were given to the fans in Pakistani dinner. The second is the main course. Third base is the desserts.
But
those bases are expensive.
And once you eat the biryani, it's a home run for the team.
बात की टट्टी के बारे में भी बात कर वो लॉग में.
नहीं, but ये वर्ल्ड कप.
Hey, don't throw a curveball at me, sir.
Yeah. नकल बॉल. हाँ शेट्टी, you say.
नहीं, ये लोग अगले बार मेरे को लगता है कि अगर आपको प्रमोट ही करना है, ऐसा कोई निशन है, मैं तो बोलता है ऐसा ओमान वगैरह में करो, यूएई में करो, यूएई में रखो. उधर का भी यूएई खेलता है, ओमान खेलता है. ये कंट्रीज थोड़ा प्रमोट करेगा. तुम यूएस में रखा है, वो आधा या तो वेस्ट इंडीज में रखना मांगता था. चलो,
it's a long game, na Shetty. US has a lot of money. If something becomes big in US, then the amount of money that flows will be insane.
NBA की तरह ही.
Yeah, I mean the only shortcut to this is maybe if somehow we find a way to bring oil into the game of cricket.
Yeah.
Like as a pour oil on your forehead and rub the ball, and dew के जगह पे oil आ रहा है grass में, then US will probably be interested in the game of cricket very soon.
That's why the US crowd is actually supporting Oman.
Aramco is also title sponsor, na? Very big.
Yeah, there you go. See, Oman and Aramco. He said Aramco, and Aramco removed him from the live only, from the recording.
अरे बाप रे, ऐसा
ये पावर होता है भाई. But I have to ask you about. I was listening to Hindi commentary where it was hilarious because it was Ravi Shastri sitting with Sidhu, and I've never seen Ravi Shastri quiet because he was stunned by what Sidhu was saying. Okay, this is what Sidhu said about the pitch. He's like, "ये तो ढूंढो रे साजन वाली pitch है," and I'm like, "What are you saying?" Then he said, "This pitch is a witch." I was like, what? I thought he'd stop, but he continued. He said, "मैं सही कह रहा हूँ, ये pitch Diane है." And I'm like, "You don't need to translate it."
नेक्स्ट मैच इसे बोलेगा कि विराट कोहली विल मेक इट इट्स बिच बंद क्रिकेट बंद.
I think तो रोहित शर्मा ने 2 छक्के मारे, फिर उसके बाद ऋषभ पंत ने 1 चौका मारा. Then he says, "खरबूजे को देख के वो भी खरबूजे बन गए." I'm like, what is this sport? Sport in my life.
I think at that
Poetry
very
open
dialogue,
mic.
I think at that very dialogue, Rohit Sharma got retired hurt. I can't take this anymore.
He also said, "ये है तोप भारत की सबसे बड़ी hope." So I was like, great, this poetry open mic night, yes. But okay, let's come to crucial match अभी coming up. Pakistan is going to play US and then उसके बाद अपना Sunday को match है. So what do you think is the vibes? Pitch is going to play. I think it थोड़ा unfair लग रहा है मुझे ये pitch का because it seems like कि अगर तुम toss जीतो and if the clouds are there, it's a crazy advantage to the team that wins the toss. But what feelings do you both have कि कैसा लग रहा है इंडिया का चांस?
मस्त है अपना चांस. अपन मेरे
No,
को
I'll
लगता
tell
है
you what, Saurabh. I think India will do well this World Cup, okay? But the way this tournament is going, even if India wins the World Cup, I don't think same maza will come. You know, like it's very thanda. Like even if India wins the World Cup, it will feel like India's won international Paytm T20 trophy. Like
Yeah.
that's the feeling you will get, even if they like play very well against Pakistan, like defeat them, crazy records, but that fun is missing.
I mean, I think it'll come. I think it'll come by Sunday. Shetty, what do you think?
नहीं, मेरे को लगता है कि है we have this in the bag because क्या वो लोग यूएसए के मैच के बाद वो लोग डिनर ऑर्गेनाइज करेगा तो उसमें रिंकू और जयसवाल जाके दोनों वेजिटेरियन हैं, जाके $500 देने वाले वो लोग. रखो बाबर आजम बोलेगा नहीं, मतलब रखो, एंजॉय, जॉली. उनका विकेट कीपर को तंदूरी चिकन वगैरह खिला रहा है, खा रहे तू, चिल कर, तू क्या इतना टैक्टिकल एडवांटेज.
USA versus Pakistan, the man of the match should get green card. Against Pakistan. Then there'll be a great incentive.
Green card is just the veg counter for the dinner. This is a very exclusive cricket-based. ये वैसे हम लोग रात को 12:30 बजे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं because all of us have come from shows right now. And Sridhar has work in the morning. Sorry, Sridhar, you were saying something. Please go ahead.
No, I was saying that it's a very nuanced cricket conversation.
This is not the first time that's happening in Pakistan. उसमें एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि उनका कोई एयरलाइन था, पब्लिक गया कनाडा में और आया ही नहीं, मतलब रिपोर्ट ही नहीं किया, एब्सकॉन्डिंग. पता चला कि आधा स्क्वाड नहीं आया वापस. 2-3 प्लेयर सेटल हो गया उधर. बोला कि हम लोग केटर वाले से बात किया, हम लोग भी कुछ उधर
ये तो एयर होस्टेस की बात कर रहा है वो तो. दिस इज पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल एयर का एयर होस्टेस, 17 एयर होस्टेस जस्ट डिसअपीयर्ड और उनका कुछ पता नहीं कि कहां पर है वो लोग. तो या
नहीं वो लोग उधर ही सेटल हो गया, मेरे को लगता है. मतलब
ना
वापस नहीं आने वाले हम लोग. ऐसे इनके टीम के साथ ना हो कि ऐसा कि यूएसए टीम झांसा देने के लिए ग्रीन कार्ड मांगते का, बाबर ग्रीन कार्ड सेटिंग है अपना.
So that is our analysis of what will happen in India versus Pakistan. I think it's very insightful. Okay, let's end this now because it's super late. Sridhar, any shows coming up? Please feel free to promote. Anything coming up, Shetty? Let's start with Sridhar first. Sridhar, please go ahead.
No, I don't have any shows immediately. I did one last, I think, Sunday. Yeah, it was fun show in Mumbai. I'm off for a month, for 3 weeks now. Um, I'll probably be doing a few shows in July, but my Instagram handle is at @IamComic. Please follow me, and I'll keep you guys posted about my shows. And yeah, India all the way.
Yeah, India all the way. There you go. And Shetty, Bhopadi or someplace, you'll have a show. Boisar, 9 shows, some avocado special.
I
क्या क्या
have,
चल रहा
Is it a show where dinner is included in the ticket?
है? Dude, you are actually a food influencer. You can do this. $25, yeah. Shetty, बताओ कहाँ पर show हो रहा है?
I'm coming to Hyderabad the 16th of June. So please buy tickets. Tickets गए नहीं Hyderabad के इतने. And I'm also doing 2 shows in Mumbai at Habitat on 30th of June, 6 p.m., 8 p.m. at the Habitat. My handle is Siddhi Shetty. So tickets link in my bio. So anyone who's watching this from Hyderabad, please buy tickets, sir. Please. 16th
So I've
June.
just started.
Hey,
Yeah.
you mean Hyderabad in India or Hyderabad in Pakistan? What do you?
Yeah. So go for Shetty's $25 dinner wala show, and I have a show coming up on 6th of July in Gujarat. Finally getting back on stage and doing some tours. Saurabh.com for tickets. We'll be announcing a few
Where's
pretty
the
soon.
show? Is it the
No idea.
stadium where India
Yeah. In Motera
almost
Stadium, I will
won
be
the World
doing.
Cup?
Yeah. I'm aiming to sell out about 1 lakh tickets. So yeah, just Saurabh.com for tickets and keep coming back here. We'll do post-match for each of the matches at awkward times and talk rubbish, which has no analytical point of view. And keep coming back. And if you enjoyed, do tell the comedians, yeah. If you like, tag them, let them know that you had fun. We'll also release some reels from this. And thanks a lot. Keep the comments coming. Keep the algorithms going. Give some likes, etc. That's about it. Shetty and Sridhar, always a pleasure. I love you both. Love you all. Marry me. Goodbye. Ending the live. Wait, अभी
Thank you,
record
bye.
करता है. Stop.
Yeah,
Oh.